In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to copy trade in Pocket Option, beginner's tutorial. By the end, you'll know exactly where to click, what to look for, and how to start mirroring trades safely and confidently. First, open your favorite web browser and search for Pocket Option. Make sure you're on the official website before proceeding and check that the connection is secure. Once you're there, log into your account. Keep your credentials private and avoid using public Wi-Fi when accessing financial platforms. After you're signed in and land on the home page, look for the social trading section and click it. This is where the copy trading features live. You'll notice a leaderboard that highlights top traders. Each profile typically shows a profit percentage, the number of trades they've executed, a risk level, how many followers they have, and their total earned. These stats give you a quick snapshot of performance and style. Profit percentage can be enticing, but pair it with the number of trades and risk level to understand consistency and volatility. Followers indicate popularity, not necessarily quality, so use it as just one data point. Click on a user to open their profile and explore more details. Take a moment to look at trends over time rather than a single short burst of results. Steadier performance with a moderate risk level is often easier to learn from. Before you can start copying, you'll need to add money to your account. Go to the funding area and deposit an amount that fits your plan. Only use funds you can afford to risk, and consider starting small while you get comfortable with how copy trading behaves in real time. Once you've deposited, double check that the funds appear in your balance so you're ready to proceed. Head back to the social trading section to choose the trader you want to copy. Revisit their stats, confirm they match your comfort level, and think about how their risk rating aligns with your goals. Consistency and a transparent track record can matter more than a single impressive week. When you're ready, click copy next to your chosen trader. Follow the on-screen prompts to confirm. From here, the platform will mirror that trader's moves in your account according to the copy rules provided. Keep an eye on results and give it time to see how the strategy performs across different market conditions. That's it. You searched for Pocket Option, logged in, opened social trading, reviewed profiles, added funds, and started copying a trader. Thanks for watching, and take your time evaluating traders so your copy trading aligns with your own risk tolerance.